Good morning, guys. I know you have your reading bags right now. By the way, please, please, please do not lose those books inside your reading bags. I know I'm going to get them back one day. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to access more books online so there's more books at your fingertips. So when you log into eClass, you all know when we go to the labs, we all have you click on that blue assessment button sometimes. There's that eClass button. Well, if you don't click on those but come right over here where it says Leveled Readers A to Z, click on that. Now I want you to click on your reading level, and in a few weeks, as these books get easier and easier, you get to go to the next reading level, okay? So if a book ever gets too easy, just go up to the next reading level. Make sure you're on your just right level. So I'm going to pretend that I'm a level F right now, okay? So I can choose any of these books. Look at all these books that are level F. All right, I selected a random one. And this is how you go to next page, or the next, yep. You go to next page, and then look, you can even make it larger so you can read it better. You can point to the words as you read. And guess what? You can even have it read it aloud to you. You can press play right here and have the book read to you. And guess what? If you have a printer at home, I don't, but if you do, you can press print and it will print out that booklet so you can read it and do it that way as well, okay? So remember, go to Level Readers, go back and watch this video again so you know how to get to it, and I want you to read for 30 minutes today. And going forward, after I do a reading lesson or after one of the kindergarten teachers does a reading lesson, if you don't want to use those same books out of your reading bag that y'all continue to keep reading, I want you to come to here because you're going to have tons of books right at your fingertips, okay? So happy reading, and I want you to go read for 30 minutes now and really think about those character feelings. I'm looking at this guy right now, and he seems happy right now because he's watering his plant, and he still seems happy. Look at that smile. All right, there we go. Good job, guys. Y'all have been doing so good for DLDs.